So we are back at Johnson Road, and Gavin has actually repainted the front door, so that's that really nice green that we seem to like. And Ken has tidied up the front. That's really presentable. It's actually some nice flowers there. Let's just show it. There you go. So that should make a good impression. Sorry, that's the CO2 detector. Okay, so this is the. Sorry, just testing it. There you go. So this is the front reception room. Let's walk through. Storage. Second reception room. Kitchen. That's where the fridge freezer is. This is the bathroom. So it's all done now, pretty much. I'm here to take final marketing pictures, and then we can really kick off the viewing, and then I'll get Mr. back and I'll ask our cleaner to pop around, do the final clean as well. But I think pretty much looks done. I ran out of light bulbs in the car, and it turns out we actually need one for this reception room here, but otherwise it's a nice feature wall, nice colour, not too garish. Sometimes feature walls can be a bit too much. So this is the second bedroom, really good size room. That's the garden over there, and this is the third bedroom. So really good sized bedroom. As you can see, really good that we've actually turned this into a third bedroom. And that's the garden back there. I'll take a separate video shortly. And this is the boiler room. And I'm just going to leave the CO2 detector here. And I'll ask Gavin to put it up once he comes and does the snagging. But I think that's it. Yeah, all done. This should be let out now for about $1,200, I think, a month. All right, see you.